In this example, I'm going to tell XSLT copy value and using templates and uh, and when do we use variables and when do you use templates, call templates. So this is very wonderful example. Let us see one example. So actually my input file is this one. It has books root tag. I have number of books inside this book. So my intention is I would like to uh, take the all the books because uh, simply what I'm doing is I'm applying a template and for each book I'm selecting values ID, name, author and price. No need of this one also. As of now I'm not showing this one, simply displaying those contents here. Okay, so the output would be like this. Let's see, Control C. You can paste here. Yes. So this would be my output. So in this example, I'm going to explain how to use variables. Here, in this variable, I'm trying to fetch certain values in these tags. So my intention is I want to put a header before printing all the books. So my header items like okay, my header is like this one. Control A, Control C, Control A, Control V. Okay, you can save it. So this actually my rows from the source XML is these only, but I want to place certain values in front of these line items, but these values also from the source payload. So I created my own tag, book ID, custom tag ID and name of the book, but these values are from the first book in such a way that I created one variable. Okay, I gave some name. Okay, what I'm doing is I simply, there are two ways of fetching data using variables, right? One is using template. In this case, let me disable this option by putting comment and remove this additional thing, and also this one. Okay, so I have one variable created and name it is as a table header, and I want to put some values. I have created my own tag and value is from the value of select. So I am at so I want to fetch the all IDs. Among them I need only first value, so such a way that I wrote a query here. At the same time, I need all the names where from this document. This indicates this double two forward slash indicates all the name tags. Among them, I need first value. Okay. At the same time, I need all others. Among them, I need first other name. Okay. At the same time, I want to fetch all price values. Among them, I need only first value. Okay. Done. So this is I have already disabled, right? still showing it is error. So select, okay, Control S, still showing error. That means somewhere we did some additional invalid thing. Okay, done. So what I'm doing is I simply Control A, Control C. There is a one open source Control A, Control V, and we can take the same payload I have already wrote here, the same books. Okay, you can minimize this one and you can run transformation. Now Control A, Control C, you can paste here. Okay, let us see the output. So in this case, I'm not getting the name values. So that means check here if you are putting right values or not here. So in this case, it is not giving the tag names. I want to generate a tag names also, right? Variables. What I'm doing is simply now I want to copy this. I want to copy this variable and remove. This is an irrelevant table because in this example I'm telling how to copy the variable into this one. Now run. Okay. Control A, Control C, Control A, Control V, and format it. Okay, you see here. Now I'm able to see book ID, name of the book, name of the author, book names. Now I'm able to put one variable before fetching data from this XML. So like this, you can create a variables. The data for the variables again the input from the source. So this way of working with XSLT sometimes very useful for us. Let us see one more example. Instead of using variables, we can use apply templates. The simple here is instead of copy of variables from the thing, you can disable this one. Okay, okay, I can disable this one. So now I don't want to use this one. Now I want to use this apply templates. Now remove variable, this variable, okay, and so apply templates. So that means you can go for the simply select XSL colon apply here now simply template, right? Template match equal to whatever the apply templates. No. Simply whatever you write here you can copy here. Match. Okay, match the same way of syntax here and close the template. Apply template and close the template. In this one, so I'm taking first book. So that means uh, among all books I need to take only first book. So no need of telling simply give ID only. So first book has only one ID. At the same time, this book also having same name. Okay, remove this one. So again template close, apply template, template match, and selecting values for each. Control S, still showing, but no need. Sometimes this editor may not give proper. So you can test Control A, apply templates, this match template, done. Template, right? Template. See here, anyway, Control A, Control A, Control C. You can test here again. So I have one more example. Control A, Control V. See here, the same thing I applied. Now run transformation. So it is throwing some error, but that error might be, so match template book ID, value of ID, done, value of name, author, price, book price ending close, name of the author. Okay, everything is fine here. Okay, this looks not good, right? And you can remove this one and apply templates, done. Run transformation. Control A, Control C, and Control A, Control V, and format it. Okay, now see the same output here also. The same output what I expected, right? Same output I'm able to print through template match instead of using variables. This output is generated through variables and copying that variables into the XSLT. Instead of a variable, I use apply templates. So thus we can modify. You can use variables. Okay. So I removed here. Yeah, variables. Created variables, and you can use that variables. Instead of that one, you can also use apply templates. I hope this video will be useful to understand more on XSLT fetching data. Okay, thanks for watching this video.